Hello guys, Lee here again. Has been a long while since I last uploaded a video. And today is the little Lunar New Year, which is 1 week before the Lunar New Year itself. So I guess Happy New Year, and because I'm not gonna make a new video on the Lunar New Year, so so today's topic, not much a topic, just more like, I don't know, to catch up, to do some video, and I feel like doing one, so I'm doing one. Because last year after Megatron launch, I feel exhausted, so I feel like I need to take a break. So I did. I mean, I have other channel, the local channel to worry about. It got a very successful video, so I sort of find my calling in that department, which is good, but I still need to figure a lot of things out, and I guess I'll use the rest of the holiday to figure that out. But that won't be interfering with our, international channel, our brand channel, our, YouTube channel anymore, I guess, because at least in the new year, there's going to be a new product or a few new products. I can tell you one. The microphone I'm using right now is like the prototype we are probably going to be selling. It's gonna be very much ideal for Megatron. Yeah, it does support mic input, so yeah, no surprise there. But I didn't have time to customize the microphone, so today is more like a testing 1, 2. Hello, you're getting this mic for a very affordable price, I guess. So the important thing I want to discuss, more like explain. So the problem with Megatron is, I guess a lot of you are interested, it's being too successful. So when it was pre-ordering, I didn't know how many people were going to get it, and people were like, wow, this is something, it's big, and everybody is like jumping in without even knowing how it looks. So I feel very much, I don't know, I feel overwhelmed by the support. So I decided to make it better, even it was pretty good. As it was starting, you hit all our marks when it was starting. So we decided to make it better, and at last we made it too good, and people all want it. I mean, for our local SVIP customers to request to have a Megatron, and that they actually are using the Megatron as their main, even they have, a couple of at least DAP over $1,000. So they have stuff that over $1,000, and they are using Megatron, which is $50. So I guess that's too much of a success. But the problem comes with that is, I thought Megatron would be just a small hit, and I only prepare so much parts, and the pre-ordering is almost depleted half of our stock. So the rest of the half, I mean, we definitely, of course, right after we saw numbers, we pre-order another 5,000 chips for the USB control chips. But they told me something like, oh, we are trying to, work our solution for the shortage thing, and we might be able to get them for you by September this year. And if we can't, don't worry, we are going to refund you all of your money with interest, but not the bank interest, but the Alibaba interest, which is bullshit. So I guess you can call me depressed. I'm pretty depressed about the situation, and I'm trying to figure out what's the best way to do about it. I mean, I could be the hero, or try to be like, oh, I'm trying to be the guy, whatever, then sell the Megatron to everybody, and then some of you might not like it because it's not really not designed for sensitive IEM, as a lot of people have found out, as I have already stated from day one. So I guess with all of this situation thing, I had to, it's a shitty thing I have to do, but I feel like it's better for our, premium earbuds to have a home. Picture people buying the Astros 3.0 with a 500 plus DAP, and they feel like, man, this does not sound good. I'm like, yeah, you don't have Megatron, and they're gonna ask, why don't you sell me a Megatron? I say, oh, I sold out to everybody else. And I mean, there are always the thing that if you appear to be fair to everybody, but at the same time, you're not being fair to Because when you're being fair to everybody, you're not being fair at all. So it's really a shitty situation. But at the end of the day, I decided something like this. If you are buying Megatron, if you want a Megatron, I'm sorry, you just have to stick with Astro 3.0 FE for now. And or you can choose the Zen 2.0 series to get a Megatron. Obviously, if you buy a Sun, Dice, or Copper, you get a Megatron for free. That's like a premium stuff. But you know, so we're just gonna be doing the pre-ordering. And if you want to buy the bundle, just pay for the bundle. The price is the same, still $50. The only difference between the pre-ordering and the current batch is that you don't get the pre-ordering earbuds. You get a regular 2.5 Monk Plus instead. So I feel still it's a pretty good deal, you know, just considering. But obviously, forcing the bundle to buy the Megatron is sort of shitty. For that, I do feel shitty. But you know, it's necessary because again, I don't want our Astra 3.0 FE to be like homeless. Like you don't want to see that as well. So, and there is I don't know the chance of us getting the chip this year, to be honest. So I have to play safe. But you have my word. As soon as I resolve the situation with the chips, we are going to make more Megatrons. And but because of the chip shortage, I can also tell you that the rest of the parts is like gone already. The chip we are using for the amplification, the chip we're using for the preamping, they are like gone. I mean, it's still available, but if you want to pay $10 for that, probably you don't want to do, you know, because it's not worth that much money. We might just change something down the line also, because it's not like we wanted to. If we can score the same chip as a not like a reasonable, just say affordable price for us, not like a reasonable. Just like if we can afford to do this with the same design, we will stick with it. But if we can't, then we do have to make some minor adjustment to account for the chip shortage. So, but that's something we have to worry about after we get the control chip, because right now the biggest shortage is the USB control chip, which is the USB host chip, whatever you call it. The interfacing chip, yes, that's it. Thanks again for supporting us, supporting the channel to, I don't know, just be in the hobby. And I feel the very, very last thing I want to say is 2021, 2021. Last year has been amazing. I mean, it's not like how many we are selling. Last year, I feel like it's the darkest age for our hobby, especially locally and nationally as well. We are still growing, and I just feel like last year I find my passion again, and through the Dango Madness, through the Chi-Fi group, and I want to thank everybody who behind this two awesome project to make it happen, and you gave me hope, and that's something, and I want to do better this year to I don't know, contribute to this hobby, to make my own effort to do things that are more enjoyable for everybody. I don't know, just I saw you're asleep. So anyways, I guess till next time, bye bye guys.